Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll give you the silver bullet for fixing your posture. Now, the exercise I'm going to show you in this video may be the best exercise possible to practice a good posture. Now, there are many cues and exercises that we run through in this facility showing people how to engage their best posture for their physiology. And this exercise that I'm going to explain to you works for every athlete that comes in here. Now, the exercise I'm going to demonstrate today is the stomach vacuum. Now, you may have heard this if you follow bodybuilding of this exercise, and it's far more than the aesthetic purpose that you'll see it for in a show. It actually helps engage all the components for holding a great posture. Not only does it give you the benefit of a great posture, if you have some aesthetic goals, it will create a narrower waist for you. You are exercising or strengthening the TVA, your transverse abdominis. And this muscle is a thin sheet that encircles your torso, the weight belt that you're born with. And it is responsible for not only holding your guts inside, but for actually engaging your core. This exercise also is great for post-pregnancy women who have suffered from a looseness in their lower abdomen. It can be done while laying down on your back, standing upright as I am now, or at a 45-degree angle, and that is probably the easiest way. Now I'll demonstrate the stomach vacuum. Now understand these steps. Breathe out until there's no more air left in the stomach. Bring your belly button diagonally upwards towards your spine, then squeezing the inner abdominals while also squeezing your pelvic floor or engaging your pelvic floor, better yet, the Kegel muscles at the same time. Contracting the Kegels with the TVA creates for a tight band around the waist and an increased rigidity in the core. So remember that all these steps go in order to make the most effective stomach vacuum that can transfer not only into movement, but into heavier compound exercises such as the squat and the deadlift. So when you're holding in your breath, remember to keep the pelvic floor engaged while holding the vacuum for the highest efficacy. Okay, now at a slight angle, breathe out. Now, once you've developed the sensation for performing the stomach vacuum laying on your back, it is now time to progress to the standing version. Now, once you've pulled it in, what do you do next? Well, you hold on to it for a matter of seconds, and it may get you winded in the first few times trying it, but eventually you'll calm down, you'll be alive, don't worry. I like to hold the vacuum hold in the beginning for at least 3 seconds, at least whatever I can muster, but create a repetition of holding it for at least 3 to 5 seconds, then releasing, then re-engaging for 6 reps, and I would do that in a 3-set combination. Again, I'll show you from the side, and from the side is when you'll really see the value of this exercise, because then you'll see how it affects my posture. Now, as you can see, my posture could never look any better in that position. And that's why it's such an important exercise for people trying to regain or to develop good posture. Now, you know that good posture is part and parcel with an overall great functional moving body. And it is important, and in fact, it is the primary pillar on which all athletics stand. Not only does it help develop your posture, but it will also slim the waist by the benefit of making the transverse abdominis tighter. It then squeezes or basically contracts the abdominal girdle overall, creating a smaller waist. So this is a great benefit in terms of aesthetic development, and definitely is far and above more effective than using a waist trainer. So if you want to move well, I suggest you try this exercise. You can make it daily or every other day, but please do not forget to engage in stomach vacuums, for the benefits outweigh all the other exercises that you would use primarily to develop your posture. Again, this is Grown and Healthy. Thanks for watching. I hope this video finds you well and that it helps you become who you'd like to become. Thanks for watching.